Hi class, and it's Ashley, and I am on here to show you some ideas that you can do for art with pipe cleaners and some beads. I am going to do a sun. You could do a flower, you could do a spider, you can do a jellyfish, you could do a butterfly, a candy cane, anything you want, you can do it. I'm going to do a sun, and to me the sun is yellow. So I have my pipe cleaner and I've already started to put some of the beads on here, and I'm going to show you how to do it, how to put the beads on. So the beads have holes in the middle. This needs to go inside the hole, just like that. And you need to use enough beads. You don't have to use a lot. If you want to use a lot, you can. But you want to try to get as many beads on here as you can to fill, so you don't really see the pipe cleaner. Alright, I am going to also use the color orange, and I used one large pipe cleaner that I cut down into small pieces. But I need to turn this into a circle. So I take the two ends, make an X, and I'm going to twist and turn. Okay, and if it's a little hard, you can ask for help. But I'm going to twist and turn so that way the beads don't fall off. Okay, see, now I have like what looks like a little bracelet. Alright, and then to me, again, the sun is, when I look in the sun, very bright. It's yellow and orange. So I'm going to use orange as the ray colors. So I'm going to twist and turn just like I did with the ends. See? Just like that. So put them on here wherever you want. You're going to kind of fold it in half. See? And then you're going to twist and turn. Remember to make that X. On here. See? And you're going to make this X and then twist and turn. Then once you get all of them on, here's my sun. Again, you can make flowers, you can make candy canes, you can make jellyfish, spiders. This one is a sun.